Loading docks operate in constant motion. Trucks cycle in and out, and forklifts are continuously handling shipments. Inside trailers, dependable lighting is essential to maintain clear working conditions, helping ensure reliable visibility during loading and unloading. The classic Gooseneck dock light from Lite is designed to deliver focused, dependable illumination inside trailers while standing up to daily dock conditions. A rugged, flexible gooseneck arm provides extended reach and precise aiming, so the light can be positioned exactly where it's needed. Its vertical flex arm design helps minimize sag over time. And if accidental impacts happen, the flexible arm and light head are designed to absorb and deflect energy, helping protect critical components. A durable polycarbonate enclosure resists impact, corrosion, and discoloration.
Multiple light head options, including integrated LED, par 38 configurations, or a standard socket for a customer-supplied bulb, give you the flexibility to choose the right solution for your dock.
With key slot mounting and a pre-wired design, installation is quick and straightforward. Engineered and assembled in Chicago, the classic Gooseneck dock light from Lite. Visit our website or contact us today for more information.